Phase 5 of EMDR therapy is called the installation phase. Finally, the disturbance has gotten really low, either to a 0, 1, or 2, and the person is able to think about the memory that used to be really troubling, and they no longer feel a really strong reaction. It's probably pretty neutral or maybe a very minimal disturbance. Now, stage 5 is where we can identify a positive belief that is really helpful when we think about that memory and tie the negative memory with the positive belief and create a really strong association. So whenever their brain goes back to that time or that memory, now they're going to think, oh, it's over now, or I am good enough. I can handle hard things. I do belong. I am lovable. So not only do they notice a desensitization from that memory, but now they think of it with a learned positive belief that's really helpful. Phase 6 is called the body scan. Body scan is where the therapist is going to guide the client to just scan their whole body, maybe shut their eyes, take a few deep breaths, and just imagine looking for any physical sensation that may be disturbing, any tension, any tightness, anything that doesn't feel neutral or pleasant. If there's nothing there, then they move on to the next stage. But if there may be, say, a little sensation in their throat that feels a little uncomfortable, then what the therapist would do is guide them to notice that sensation in their throat and to continue doing some eye movements like that. They'll go ahead and do another body scan after a few sets of eye movements, and if it's cleared, then they'll go on to the next step.